Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OVHcloud for VPS account access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for an OVHcloud VPS account, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type OVHcloud.com and press enter. Once the OVHcloud homepage loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. On the registration page, you will see options to create a new account. Enter your email address in the specified field. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Next, confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Now, select your country from the drop-down menu. After that, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. You may also see an option to receive promotional emails. Decide if you want to opt in or out of this option. Once you've filled out all required fields, click the Create My Account button. An email verification will be sent to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from OVHcloud. Click the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. You will be redirected back to the OVHcloud website after verification. Now, log in with your newly created email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the VPS section from the main dashboard. Choose your desired VPS plan based on your needs. Follow the prompts to configure your selected VPS. After configuration, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information and review your order details. Finally, confirm your purchase to complete the registration process. You are now ready to access your OVHcloud VPS account. Explore the features and tools available to you in your new account. Congratulations on setting up your OVHcloud VPS account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.